Alright guys, welcome to another unboxing video. It's been a while, and with that being said, it's midsummer, it's mid-August right now. This is the brand new HD10iPRO. You guys are going, what's new from the old HD10iPROs? This one here has the new camera, the new lens, the new everything in the bottom part of it, which gives it full, let me get this up here, can you read that right there? 1080p. For real. So just gonna break this down, do a quick unboxing, and then talk about this little doodad that you can buy extra that goes with this for what we do. But crack this beast open. Pretty nifty packaging if you like check that out. It's just wicked. It's in its own little thing here. Get this beast opened up. Stop. Okay, so this is the accessory enclosed kit. I'm gonna break this apart really quick here. So we have a screen protector to put on the screen of the camera. Right there, those bad boys. There's two of them actually. This is a case for the camera itself, for the whole setup, as you would say. We got a charger, wall charger, and then a car, like 12-volt cigarette lighter charger. Let's get this camera out of this box here. Make sure you guys fill out your card for the 1-year warranty with Outdoor Insight, so Aqua-vu can actually, you know, if you ever do have an issue, they have that record of that. I gotta work on that. And here is the moment. There she is, guys. Right there. Pretty wicked. So the camera tips up like so, or the, not camera, can't talk here. The viewfinder, little piece of like foam in here to protect that. And then the screen just pops open. Got little side buttons on there. And then it tells you about your battery, and then it says register now to activate your warranty. You can go right online to do that. Gotta love that. I'm gonna hit power. It's probably, oh, it's on. It's working. So right off the bat, super decent. Really nice. Even though I got a piece of stuff on it, I gotta pull that off. Protector. Peel that off. Holy smokes. That is like watching TV. Look at how clear this is, guys. Like, legit. That's clear. That's really clear. We're going to do a water test with this in the next few days. We're going to take this bad boy out and go through this new camera head and the actual HD-ness of this. Like the box set. I'll read that to you quick. It says upgraded 1080p upgraded camera, high definition XD camera, so that's just saying it's 1080p, and then auto clear technology, and the biggest thing is the OptiRx lab quality lens. So if you guys have an old camera like the older HD10iPRO or HD10i or 7i, sorry, not 10, 7i, or even the 10 or the 7, you can get just this camera to upgrade your machine to full HD, the actual full 1080. So that's something that you can do. That's called the Gen 2 camera, just came out with. But yeah, I'm really excited for this and what we can do here. This is a power adapter kit. So what we can do is we can take this right off of here, and then we plug this power into the 12-volt on your boat system, and you rig this and plug the power right into there. So all you have is a power and then the camera cable. So you get rid of this big base, which would look like this. Get this thing out of here. And then, so you'd have this, you'd plug in your camera, and then you'd plug in your power, and you can mount this somewhere on the side of your boat. You'd still have to have this somewhere unless you took your camera cable all the way off of there and maybe wrapped it around something smaller so you don't have that battery in here. But still pretty sweet how you can work this. But that's a little unboxing for you guys. Stay tuned this winter because there's going to be some awesome videos coming out with this new, I mean, look at that. That's literally that's the TV of it. Just mind blown how far Aqua-vu has come from the old viewfinder with the little scope in them that you looked through and the TV was that big. It's just, I mean, literally 10 years and it's down to this. It's awesome. But like always, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. And like always, hit that subscribe button wherever it's at. It's much appreciated. And we'll see you next time.